Hi, welcome to Biorev Scoop and welcome to 7 Days 7 Tips series. Friends, in this series, we will share 7 tips on digital marketing on 7 consecutive days. And we are sure that you did not know about these tips. So, what are we waiting for? Please like and share this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the videos that we are sharing here at Biorev Scoop. So, let's put on our learning caps and let's get started. Day 5, tip number 5. And the tip for today is avoid using Blackhat SEO techniques. Friends, so what is Blackhat SEO techniques? Certain unethical practices in SEO which are used to bring a blast of traffic to the website are termed as Blackhat SEO. While on one hand, White Hat SEO techniques focus on the human requirements, the Blackhat techniques misuse the algorithms of search engine with the only aim of bringing traffic to the website. So activities like keyword stuffing, hidden text, hidden links, continuous redirects, and so on are termed as black hat techniques, and we should definitely make it a point to avoid these black hat techniques because friends, black hat techniques give short-term pleasure but long-term pain. Yes, over a period of time, it would definitely be identified that you are using a black hat technique and your website might get blocked altogether from all the search engines. The users can now report if they identified a website using black hat technique and that website would be taken off the search result the next time. So be aware and stay away from using black hat techniques. And due to this ever increasing process of using black hat techniques, nowadays search engine algorithms are in place that identify black hat techniques and report it immediately, and the website gets blacklisted. All the search engines have a reputation to maintain, and the reputation can be maintained only when they host genuine and authentic content which do not use any black hat technique. So they have become all the more strict to identify and remove any such content which uses black hat technique on their platform so that their credibility and reputation does not become at stake. I understand that it takes some effort, in fact a lot of effort, to employ white hat SEO techniques, but it is always safe than to be sorry. You would definitely not want to put all the efforts on creating a content and just by using one black hat technique, all the effort goes down the drain and your entire content or your entire website is blacklisted from the search engine altogether. So it is a very important point to keep in mind, friends. Never ever use a black hat technique in your SEO efforts and jeopardize the entire thing. So friends, I'm sure you must have been able to derive some value out of this video. Am I correct? So please like and share this video, and once again do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos here at Biorev Scoop. So we'll meet tomorrow once again with the next important tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep watching Biorev Scoop.